Guys, it's me again. Today I am introducing you the Mi Max 3. This is the package, the classic Xiaomi package. You can see the Mi Max 3 writing, Mi logo, the Xiaomi logo, the classic package. And this is the global version. You can see the global. It's global version of Xiaomi Mi Max 3. And here are some specs of the smartphone. It has got a 6.9 Full HD Plus display, then a 5500 milliampere battery, a dual camera, and a new processor, the Snapdragon 663, and a nice smartphone. Is very fast. The package is classic, what you get always from Xiaomi: the smartphone and the charger and nothing else, and it's using the USB Type-C, the Xiaomi classic Xiaomi package. This is our smartphone. You can see backside, it's metal unibody, dual camera, 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel IE camera with a dual LED flash, and it's nice. The camera quality is nice, but at the night the quality is very poor. The fingerprint sensor, you can see the Mi logo, at the bottom the USB Type-C, but it's USB 2.0, the loudspeaker and the microphone. At the top you can see the port for earphones, a microphone, secondary microphone, and there is another ear blaster. That was, and the right side you can see the volume rockers and power key, and the left side only the SIM tray. And this is our smartphone. Front side there is a 8 megapixel front facing camera, an LED notification, and a soft light for selfie, and that was the earpiece. Now this is our smartphone. You can see a nice display, a huge display, Full HD Plus, and looks very incredible and nice smartphone. And we will see how it looks like. Now we are going to settings, and you can see it comes with MIUI 9, but when you start the phone you get a update notification, and it will get updated to MIUI 10, and it runs on Android 8. I have the version with 4 to 46 gigabyte, and it's very fast smartphone. You know the CPU is very fast, the Snapdragon 636. Yes, you can see the Android Oreo. You can see, and we have a game, Octa's game, and it's very nice. It's fast. The smartphone is very good. The camera, this is the camera, how it looks like. You have got the portrait mode, then you've got the IE function. When you aim to anything, it's the IE function know what is it. You have the HDR mode. Front facing camera has to the portrait mode, and a smartphone. You know, this smart Xiaomi, classic Xiaomi, everything is nice. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And it comes with a global version. This is very good, because in Europe or the other countries you need the LTE band 2, and in the global version you have this. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you, guys.